Morning, sir.
Good morning. Welcome back to your English class. As you know, students, in the last class we discussed some sign languages, signs of English alphabets. Okay. After this, we have another question, which is match the two parts of sentences given under column A and B. Add but to join the two parts of sentences and write the complete sentence. I will write here full sentence, okay, with using but. We have to match the correct part of the sentence, okay. First is Helen lived after her illness. We have to add but after this first sentence. But she could not hear or see. This is the correct pair. Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. This is the answer. Okay. After this, let's take second one. She could not hear or see. She could not hear or see. After this, we have to add but. But she was very intelligent. But she was very intelligent. Write as fast as you can. As you can see here, first sentence I have written on the board. Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. Second sentence is there. She could not hear or see, but she was very intelligent. In the first sentence, you can see here, we added but. And in the second sentence also, we added but. Shall
So,
I rub this
cyclist.
question? Shall I rub this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Done, sir. Yes, sir. Done,
Let's
sir.
write
Done,
third
sir.
one.
done, sir.
Let's write third one. Third sentence is there. People thought, yes, third sentence is there, students. People thought
Done,
that she
sir.
could not learn anything. people thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought could learn. Okay, yes, so write this sentence. People thought that she could not learn anything. लोगों ने क्या सोचा था? She could not learn anything. वो कुछ भी नहीं सीख पाएगी because she could not see or hear. But her mother thought could learn. She could learn. लेकिन उसकी मम्मी ने क्या सोचा कि वो पढ़ सकती है. Is it? Yes. People thought that she could not learn anything. लोगों ने क्या सोचा? She could not learn anything. वो कुछ नहीं सीख पाएगी. But her mother thought she could learn. लेकिन उसकी मम्मी ये सोचती थी she could learn anything. वो कुछ भी सीख सकती है. She could learn. Okay?
Side, please.
Yes. Shall I rub this first sentence?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second one?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mrityunjay?
Yes,
Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's take another one. Helen copied the words. Fourth sentence is Helen copied the words. Helen copied the words, but she,
Sir, side, please.
yes, but she did not understand what she was doing. Helen copied the words, but she did not understand what she was doing. And the last sentence I'll write here, just check it out. Miss Sullivan was strict. Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind. But she was kind.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, let them complete. Okay.
Done, sir.
So wait for other students also.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Not he, but she was kind to Helen.
As you can see, third sentence we have written. People thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought she could learn. Fourth sentence is there. Helen copied the words, but she did not understand what she was doing. And the fifth sentence is there. Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind. Let's turn toward the next page. Okay, we have another question.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Yes,
सर
आवाज आ रही है।
डन सर। डन सर।
Let's turn toward the page number 88. There we have another question. Read the following sentences. Shall I rub this?
सर थर्ड और यस सर। सर फिफ्थ वाले को मत रब कीजिए। यस सर।
Okay.
डन सर। डन सर। फिर ऑफ करो। डन सर।
Yes, students.
डन सर।
This another question is there. Read the following sentences. Read the following sentences. First is there. Her clothes. Her clothes were always dirty.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Her clothes were always dirty. After this, she was often angry. She was often angry. Third, it means see, sometimes. She lie on the floor. And the last sentence, as you can see in the book, her parents never scolded her. Her parents never scolded her. Okay. Now students, just underline some words from the sentences. Sometimes, never. Underline these words.
डन सर। 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 डन सर।
Yes. Let's everybody complete these.
नो डन सर। यस सर। डन सर। डन सर। डन सर।
Don't say done. कोई डन डन नहीं बोलेगा।
Done, sir. Done, sir. No,
Okay.
done, sir. Done,
So
sir.
here, students,
No,
we
sir.
have another words as like I have
Done,
underlined the
sir.
words. Her clothes were always dirty. Always. She
Done,
was
sir.
often angry. Sometimes she lie on the floor. Her parents never scolded her. In Hindi, we all know the meaning of this underlined
No,
word.
done, sir.
Always means always, हमेशा, often, अक्सर, sometimes, कभी
Done,
कभी,
sir.
never, कभी नहीं, always, हमेशा, often, अक्सर, sometimes, कभी कभी, never, कभी नहीं. Okay, just write the meaning of the words here. As I am writing here, always. Always means at all time. Always means at all times. After this, often. Often, many times. Often, many times. After this, sometimes. Sometimes, occasionally. Sometimes, occasionally. And never. नेवर नेवर यानी कभी नहीं. एट नो टाइम. ओके. ऑलवेज, एट ऑल टाइम्स, ऑफन, मेनी टाइम्स, समटाइम्स, ओकेशनली यानी कभी कभी. नेवर, एट नो टाइम कभी नहीं.
Done, sir. Sir, sometimes. Done, sir. Sir, four का
लेट्स कंप्लीट.
Done, sir.
Yes, let's wait for other students also.
Done, sir.
Just show me thumbs up, students, after completing this. Yes. Don't say anything. You often say done, 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 done. Often यानी अक्सर आप done, done बोलते रहते हो. Okay? So never say done. Just show me thumbs up. Is it clear? Hiren. Very good. Keep your mobile phone at one place, Hiren. Keep your mobile phone at one place. Remove your background. Remove your background. Yes. Keep your mobile phone at one place. एक ही जगह पे रखो अपना मोबाइल फोन. हिरेन. Yes. और ठीक से बैठो. Okay, students, as you can see here, the meaning of always, it means at all times, हमेशा, often, many times, अक्सर, sometimes means occasionally, कभी कभी, नेवर, at no time, यानी कभी नहीं. Okay, after this question you have another question that now your friend will ask you the same questions. Solve or write the answers in book first. पहले आप अपने बुक में ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, यस इक्षिता, you will solve this question in your book on page number 88. Page number 88. Okay, the question is, how often do you, ये आप कब करते हो या हमें कब करना चाहिए? Always, often, sometimes, never. Okay. Do it yourself. First is there, obey your parents. Obey your parents means आपके जो पेरेंट्स है उनकी बातें सुननी चाहिए. उनकी बातें सुनना. ऑलवेज सुननी चाहिए, ऑफन कभी कभी सुननी चाहिए, समटाइम्स अक्सर, कभी कभी, और हमेशा या कभी नहीं सुननी चाहिए. विच इज द करेक्ट वन?
Always.
Just tick correct. Okay.
Always, sir.
Yes, so just tick correct like this in front of always. Okay. After this, second one, visit your grandparents. Always, often, sometimes, or never.
Always. Always, sir.
Always. Always. Yes, always. After this, third one, we have fight with your brother or sister.
Sometimes.
Fight with your brother or sister. Never. हमें अपनी बहन और भाई से कभी झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए. Never. Okay, never is the correct. Next, help others.
Sometimes. Always.
Always. Yes.
Always.
After this, throw waste in the dustbin. Throw waste in the dustbin.
Always.
Always. Yes, always. After this, switch off the lights when you go out of the room.
Always.
Yes, very good. Switch off the lights यानी जब हम घर से या रूम से बाहर जाते हैं, we should switch off the lights. हमें लाइट्स बंद करने चाहिए. After this, leave the tap on while brushing your teeth. Leave the tap on while brushing your teeth.
Never.
Very good. Never. After this, tear pages from your notebook. अपने नोटबुक से पेजेस फाड़ना.
Never.
Yes, Manasvi. Very good. Never. Okay. So write this question and do it yourself. After this, students, you will have a poem. You have a poem there. Pretty Peep. Okay. I have a little sister. I have a little sister. They call her Pretty Peep. She wades in the waters deep, deep, deep. She climbs up the mountains high, high, high. My pretty little sister, she has just one eye. Who is Pretty Pip?
Star.
The answer is given on the same page. The answer is yes. The answer is given on the page. Yes, you will write this. You will write this. Okay. You will write this in your copy after this question. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.